Hey, Mustangs, welcome back to the weekly rally. It is a brand new week, and we are so close to next season break. Here's congrats to our volleyball and boys soccer team on fantastic state finishes. The only fall sport left is football. And they took down the Colombians last week and will take on the Mullins this Saturday. Let's take it to the sports section.
Welcome back to RVTV Sports. Today we have John Brooks, who puts the special in special teams. So, John, who is your biggest inspiration for football?
I'd probably go Antonio Brown. You know, I grew up watching his highlights. He catches a lot of balls. He has some cool dances. So there you go.
Okay, now John, I have a little question for you here. Most people say this represents how we choose quick satisfaction over what we really need. What do you think of this?
Yeah, I definitely agree with that. I think some people go for that little dopamine what could be good for them.
Personally, I think it's because bread tastes better than tea.
Now the playoffs are winding down. We're bringing the competition indoor. It's time for Versus. This week, two students will take on a fast-paced, high-stakes game we call Slap Table. Do not slap each other. Let's meet our competitors.
Welcome to Versus. My name is Tris Seabar, and today we will be playing Hit the Cup. How this game works is you have to take turns hitting the cup. If someone lifts the cup up, you have to place your fist on the table. If you don't do so, you lose. Enjoy today's game. I'm here with Nicholas and Miguel. And our winner is Miguel. Your prize are McDonald's fries.
Oh, that's so cool!
If you're interested in playing, talk to Mr. Johnson or R2203.
Now, let's talk weather. We haven't seen any snow yet, but it's already season season. The RVHS team interviewed two exciting students about their very first run this season. Let's check it out.
Welcome to RV A to Z.
I'm Jacob. Who are we here with?
Kean
And Dax. What'd you boys do this weekend?
We went up skiing at Winter Park. They just opened, so yeah, it was pretty fun.
Nice. What tricks do you guys hit?
We hit some flips and spins. A little K-fed, backflip.
You guys hit the park?
Yeah, they just got their park open, so it was pretty crowded, but it was fun.
The variety show team at the hallways this week, and with one burning questions for students and teachers alike. Who is your celebrity crush?
Welcome back to the Variety Show. This week's segment, we're going to be asking different people around the school what their celebrity crush is. Let's get right into it. My name is Mason Cuno, and I'm here with
Rylan Dooley.
What's your celebrity crush?
Jenna Ortega.
My name is Mason Cuno, and I'm here with
Adam Ripley.
Who's your celebrity crush?
Madison Beer.
Now, let's wrap up our segments by a very important member of our staff in the spotlight for a topic twist. This week, we are putting our school therapist, Miss Rainwhite, into a hot seat for some non-work related questions. Check it out.
My name is Jonah, and we're here with
Swain Wright. I'm the school therapist. This is my first year RP.
I'm so sorry.
If a triangle is equilateral and one of the angle measurements is 60 degrees, what are the other two?
I have no idea.
That would be 60.
60.
No, 60.
Over 60.
When did World War I officially begin?
19, I'll say 20.
That's close. It was 1914. What punctuation pauses a sentence but doesn't stop it?
Comma.
That is correct.
huge thanks to Mr. Enright and all of our guests this week. And thank you so much for everyone watching. I know you're already only a few more hours until Thanksgiving break, so get those final tests done and have a great week off. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and go Big Blue.